Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In this class we discussed the exercise problems in 10th chapter. That is only exercise 10.2, problem number 1. Compute the magnitude of the following vectors. 3 vectors they given. So you have to find a magnitude. So solution here, just I am writing magnitude of A bar. So what is the magnitude? Square root of corresponding components, scalar component squares. I coefficient 1, J coefficient 1, K coefficient 1. So answer is root 3. This is a simple way to find the magnitude. Next, magnitude of B bar, square root of, what are the components, scalar components? 2 square plus minus 7 square plus minus 3 whole square. So square root of, I write here 4 plus 49 plus 9. 4 plus 49 plus 9. So how much you get? 4 plus 49 plus 9, 58 is 62. Root 62 is the magnitude of B bar. Next one, magnitude of C bar. What is the magnitude of C bar here? Corresponding coefficients squares we have to make. 1 by root 3 whole square plus 1 by root 3 whole square plus minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So now here direct I am writing square root get cancelled. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus negative will become positive. So 1 by 3. If you take the LCM 1 plus 1 plus 1 for total 3 by 3, the answer is 1. So magnitude of C bar is 1. Next problem number 2. Write 2 different vectors having same magnitude. 2 different vectors we have to write. That means the 2 vectors not equal but same magnitude we have to get. Any example, this is our own examples we can give you. So I write I am considering this answers. Infinitely many answers you can get here. So one example you have to give here. Consider A bar equal to, I'll take here I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So this is the one vector. Another vector I am taking B bar. Another vector I am taking B bar. 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. So now you see here magnitudes you should find. First of all check these 2 vectors are equal. Different vectors A bar and B bar are different vectors. Now we have to check about the magnitude. Magnitude of A bar equal to square root of 1 square plus minus 2 whole square plus 3 square. 1 plus 4 plus 3. That is total it will become 8, root 8. Next one, here 3 square is 9, total it will be root 14. Next, magnitude of B bar is 3 square plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. So 9 plus 1 plus 4, root 14. Magnitude same, but A bar is not equal to B bar. That is nothing but A bar and B bar are 2 different vectors but having same magnitude. Sir, how will remember this one? Lot of members having doubts that only. Sir, how will write this 2? First you write one vector. First write one vector. Another vector purpose, just positions you can change. Positions are signs of the scalars you have to change. Scalar components is same. then the magnitude should be same only. Now, problem number 3. Write two different vectors having same direction. Again, same to same like problem number 2, but their magnitude same, their direction should be same. For that purpose, first of all, I will consider two vectors. Here also infinitely many solutions will get. Consider A bar equal to I cap, J cap, K cap. B bar equal to 2I cap plus 2J cap plus 2K cap. In theory part also we discussed the scalar multiplication. Multiplication of vector by a scalar. If scalar is positive, direction should be same way. If scalar is negative, direction should be in different way. Otherwise, opposite way. So, these two are different vectors. First of all, A bar and B bar are two different vectors, but having same direction. By the node point, we can conclude. But we can't conclude directly. So, you have to find the direction cosines. If direction cosines of the two vectors is same, then the two vectors in same direction. So, that purpose, I will find here first of all magnitude of A bar. 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square is root 3. Magnitude of B bar is 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. That is 4 plus 4 plus 4. Total it will be 12. That is 2 root 3, right. So now I will find that DC is half. Direction cosines of A bar are L is L formula x by magnitude of R bar. Here magnitude of A bar. So x is how much here? 1 by root 3. N is also 1 by root 3 and also 1 by root 3. So direction cosines of vector A bar completed. Next, direction cosines of vector B bar are L equal to x is 2 by magnitude of that vector 2 by root 3. M is equal to 2 by 2 root 3. N equal to 2 by 2 root 3. Cancellation. L equal to how much you get? 1 by root 3. M equal to 1 by root 3, N equal to also 1 by root 3. Therefore, direction cosines of A bar and B bar are same. So, A bar and B bar in same direction. In same direction. But A bar is not equal to B bar. That is two different vectors. A bar and B bar are two different vectors, but having same direction. So this is the way of doing the example. Simple. One vector you take, multiply with one positive number. That is positive scalar. Next, we will see the fourth problem. Find the value of x and y so that the vectors 2i cap plus 3j cap and xi cap plus yj cap are equal. Equal vectors means corresponding components compulsory equal. Direct I am writing corresponding components are equal means here I cap coefficients is same, j cap coefficients same. So x equal to 2, y equal to 3. You have to clearly mention given vectors, equal vectors, then the corresponding components must and should be equal. Based upon that condition, x equal to 2, y equal to 3. Now, problem number 5. Find the scalar and vector components of the vector which initial point and terminal point. Initial point and terminal point they given. So now you have to find first vector. After that, finding the vector, which are the scalars, which are the vector components also you have to mention. So that purpose I will take first of all solution let given points I am taking as a P and Q. Now the vector with initial point P and the terminal point. Therefore, the vector with initial point P and terminal point Q is PQ bar. We have to find vector joining the 2 points PQ bar. PQ bar equal to x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 minus x1 whole square. Otherwise, one more method also there, that is OQ bar minus OP bar also we can write. So here points is there. So direct way I find it. So what is the direct way? x1 y1 x2 y1. Subtract में x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap, k cap purpose z value is not there, so they will be here. So minus 7 I cap plus 6 j cap plus 6 j cap. This is the required vector. Question is scalar component. For the required scalar components are scalar components means 7 minus 7 comma 6, just scalar. Required vector components are minus 7 I cap comma 6 j cap. X I cap y j cap are the vector components, x comma y are the scalar components. So here x is minus 7, y is 6. X I is minus 7 comma I, 6 comma j. So this is the way of finding the scalar components and vector components. Next here, problem number 6. Find the sum of the vectors. 3 vectors they given. So sum you have to make. General sum how you do like that only you have to make. Why? Because the vectors is in the component form. Component form is there. So that's why you can write it directly. A bar plus B bar plus C bar equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus A cap plus half minus 2I cap plus 4j cap plus 5j cap plus I cap minus 6j cap minus 7k cap. So now here general simplification you make I cap minus 2I cap minus I cap minus I cap plus I cap 0 I cap. So total I caps will be 0. No need to write it. The next step will remove it. Minus 2j cap plus 4j cap. Minus 2 plus 4 is 2j cap. 2j cap minus 6k cap. 6j cap. 2 minus 6. So minus 4j cap. K plus 5k. 6k. 6k minus 7k. 6k minus 7k is minus k. So finally I write it minus 4j minus k. Why? Because 0 is I cap coefficient is 0, so we can remove minus 4j cap minus k cap is the required sum. Now problem number 7. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector A bar. Unit vector means magnitude should be 1. In the direction of vector, we have already formula a cap equal to 1 by determinant of magnitude of a bar into a bar. So solution here, first of all, given vector a bar equal to I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Therefore, the unit vector in the direction of the vector a bar is. So you have to find the unit vector in the direction of vector a bar is a cap equal to 1 by determinant magnitude of a bar into a bar. Otherwise, you can write a bar by, which is 1 into a bar by magnitude of a bar also we can write. Already a bar we know, so what we need? Magnitude of a bar. So I will write here magnitude of a bar. Finding here 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, that is root 6. So now substitute in this one. Therefore, a cap equal to 1 by root 6 into I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. That is nothing but 1 by root 6 I cap plus 1 by root 6 j cap plus 2 by root 6 k cap. So this is the required unit vector in the direction of the given vector a bar. So next, problem number 8. Find the unit vector in the direction of vector PQ bar, where P and Q are the points respectively. So I will write down first, given P of 1, 2, 3 and Q point is 4, 5, 6. So now first I will find the vector joining the points P and Q. The vector joining the points P and Q from P to Q is PQ bar equal to formula x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap z2 minus z1 k cap. So x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z. Substitute here 4 minus 1 I cap plus 5 minus 2 j cap plus 6 minus 3 k cap. 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap. So the PQ bar. So now we have to find the unit vector of this one. Therefore, the unit vector in the direction of vector PQ bar is, that is PQ cap we have to find. 1 by magnitude of PQ bar into PQ bar. Already PQ bar we know, now we have to find the magnitude of PQ bar. Magnitude of PQ bar equal to square root of 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square. 9 plus 9 plus 9 root 27 3 root 3. Root 27 is nothing but 3 root 3. So now I will write substituting PQ cap 1 by 3 root 3 into 3 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 3 k cap. Simplify this one. 3 by 3 root 3 I cap plus 3 by 3 root 3 j cap plus 3 by 3 root 3 k cap. 3 get cancelled. So remaining 1 by root 3 I cap plus 1 by root 3 j cap plus 1 by root 3 k cap. So this is the required unit vector in the direction of PQ bar where the P and Q points are given. Here simple, first you have to find the PQ bar vector by using the line joining the points, the vector joining the points P and Q. After that, unit vector finding direct formula is the inner substitution. Now ninth problem in exercise. For a given vector A bar and B bar, find the unit vector in the direction of A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar first we have to find, then the unit vector of that vector A bar plus B bar we have to find. Solution direct and writing here A bar plus B bar equal to I cap minus I cap. Total will become I cap. Minus J cap plus J cap. 0 J cap. 2 minus 1 plus K cap. So this I am taking as a C bar. Why? Because writing easy purpose, I am taking this sum taking as a one vector C bar. Therefore, the unit vector in the direction of vector A bar plus B bar, that is nothing but C bar, is C cap is equal to 1 by magnitude of C bar into C bar. So now to find the magnitude of C bar. What is the magnitude of C bar? 1 square plus 0 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. Therefore, C cap is 1 by root 2 into I cap plus 0 is there, no need to write here 0 J cap plus K cap. This is nothing but 1 by root 2 I cap plus 1 by root 2 J cap. Sorry, 1 by root 2 K cap. Sum I am taking as a C bar. If you are not taking C bar, what will happen here? Here what will happen? A bar, sorry, A plus B whole cap. A plus B whole cap we have to take. So this is the unit vector in the direction of sum of the two vectors, that are A bar and B bar. So now one more problem here, 10th problem. Find the vector in the direction of a vector which has magnitude 8 units. 8 units. Here 1 unit. There 8 units. 8 units finding purpose. First you have to find 1 unit. Then multiply with 8. Already one example problem we discussed this type. 7 unit problem we discussed. So here I'll take first of all given vector, let A bar equal to I5 I cap minus J cap plus 2K cap. And find first of all unit vector. The unit vector in the direction of vector A bar is A cap equal to 1 by magnitude of A bar into A bar. So first I will find the magnitude of A bar. What is the magnitude of A bar? 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square. That is 25 plus 1 plus 4 is root 30. Root 30. Therefore, A cap equal to 1 by root 30, 5 I cap minus J cap plus 2K cap. That is 5 by root 30 I cap minus 1 by root 30 J cap plus 2 by root 30 K cap. So this is a 1 unit vector. We need 8 units. The required vector is 8 A cap. So 8 into 5 by root 30 I cap 1 by root 30 j cap plus 2 by root 30 k cap. Multiply inside 40 by root 30 I cap minus 8 by root 30 j cap plus 16 by root 30 k cap. So this is the way of finding the vector having the magnitude 8 in particular direction. Here what is the difference we observe? Here unit vector asking magnitude is 1. So just a unit vector will be. Here 8 units vector we need. 8 units magnitude vector. So that was first I find the 1 unit vector. Multiply with how many need? Here 8 needs, so multiply with 8.